Assalamu alaikum my friends, once again welcome to my channel Shining Art. In this video I'll show you how to make a beautiful paper quill basket. It's very easy to make it at home, and in quarantine days it's become very easy to make it because you have enough time to make it at home. So today I'll show you how to make it. It's very easy. First of all, you need a cardboard cut in circle and two paper circles, one bigger and one of the same size of the cardboard. Then cover it with the bigger one first of all, just like this. Add some glue on the edges, then place the bigger one on the cardboard, cut the edges, add some glue on the edges, and then fold them over the other side of the cardboard. Now on the other side again place the same size of the cardboard, just in order to cover it. Add some glue and then place it over the cardboard. Now we have covered it. I have chosen some paper strips, some different color paper strips. As you can see, I have taken the 5 major dark colors. One is blue and the other one is green and the third one is yellow. I have taken the dark colors and you can take whatever you want. And the fourth one is dark pink, just like this. Whatever colors you want you can take. And the fifth one is red, and the number of these colors is as blue. I have taken 28 blue coils and 24 green coils and 44 yellow coils and 28 pink coils and 44 red coils. Just in the same way you can take these colors. Now I have made them tight with the glue. Now we will start our procedure. In the first row I will now first of all add some glue on the edges. Then I will take first of all 2 green coils in the middle, just like this. Place them 2 green coils in the middle, and then the other colors on the other sides of the green. As you can see, I have added red, yellow and blue, each color on the both sides of the green coils, just like this. It's some kind of pattern or some kind of unique arrangement, and at the end you will have a unique pattern basket. So you have to follow this pattern if you need a unique pattern basket, just like this. 2 green in the middle and other colors on the both sides of the basket, just like this. Now again repeat the procedure. Just see, I have completed my first row, and for the second row I will again add some glue like this. Now place the green color on the first 2 green like this, then add red on both sides of the green color, as you can see. Next is the red, so place red on both sides of the green coil, just like this. Then place yellow on both sides like this, then blue. So you have to be very careful in placing these coils on their place, because a minor mistake would be bigger one at the last. So in this way, in the second row we will place 2 blue coils on the same place, one after the other, then yellow on their both sides, then again red after yellow, and then is 1 green on the 2 green coils, just like this. like this. Now I will add again red color on both sides of the green. This one would be the better one. Add some glue. I'm adding more glue because in order to just make it strong and still on its place, just like this. I have completed. Now in the same pattern I will complete my second row just like this. In the whole row we have to just repeat the same procedure. 4 parts. I have added glue on the whole row just like this as a creamy cake. Now look, I have completed my second row as well. Just you have to follow the same pattern. It would look like this. Just now I will again add some glue on the second row like this. Now put 2 red coils on the first green coil like this and press them a little bit like this. Now add yellow coil again, as you can see. Next is blue after yellow. Now I will put 1 pink coil in the middle of the 2 blue coils like this. 1 pink in between the 2 blue coils just like this. I've as well told you that a little bit mistake would be a bigger one, so we have to be very careful in placing these colors on their right space. So like this. Again 2 red on the 1 green coil, so it would look like this. The arrangement is coming. Now I will complete my third row just in the same way. Look, I've completed my third row just following the same procedure. Now it would look like this. Just see, it's a unique pattern. So for making such basket, you have to use the paper strips of the equal size. All the strips would be of the equal size, and in my another video I've shown how to make those paper strips, so you can go and watch that. So now my 3 rows have been completed successfully. I am going to start the 4th one. Now again I will put 1 red coil on the 2 coils, on the 2 red coils just like this. Now again place the yellow, then blue, and now after blue I will add 2 pink coils on the top of the first pink coil like this. Place 2 pink coils on the same place like this. 2 pink coils, and then blue, and then yellow, and then again 1 red on the top of the first 2 reds. In this way we will repeat the procedure just like this. Our 4th row would look like this. Now complete the whole row by repeating the same procedure like this. It's very easy to make it. Look, I have completed my 4th row as well. Just see how it would look like. the pattern, the arrangements like this. Now I will start my 5th row like this. Again put one pink on the top of the pink, and now in between two pinks I will add one green coil like this. Between two pink coils, one green coil, and then blue, and then again two yellow coils on the top of the one red coil like this. Two yellow coils like this, and again blue, and then pink and green in between two pinks, and in the same way repeat the procedure by placing the coils on their respective places like this. Now I will add two yellow coils just like this on the same place. So our 5th row would look like this. It's amazing. See the pattern just like this. Now I will complete my whole row, 5th row. See, I've completed my 5th row by placing them respectively on their places. Now I will start my 6th row and the final row. After this my basket would be completed. I will now, first one would be yellow on the top of the two yellow coils, then blue, and then again pink, then two green coils on the top of the one green coil like this. Next is pink, and then it's blue, and like this. Next is yellow on the top of two yellow coils like this. See, 6th row at the end of the basket would look like this. It's amazing, unique pattern, dark color basket. And now I will complete my 6th row. See, my basket has been completed, and now I will add some little pieces of glitter sheets or foaming sheet to enhance the beauty of my basket. You can add something else, whatever you want. See, it would look very beautiful by adding these glitter pieces. Then, and about the handle of this basket I'll tell you in the next video, because it has already become much longer. So if you like my video and my basket as well, so please subscribe my channel for the new update. And for the handle of this basket, watch my next video, and I am pretty sure that my next video will be very interesting for you. So for that, stay tuned, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icons, and till then, stay blessed, stay home, stay safe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.